Hello again, and let me introduce Nisak from brilliant company, and he will present his company and tell about the IoT project he has.
Hi, Nisar Shah here. We are from Australia. We are excited to be here. It's a fantastic event, and all we do is we make IoT simpler for businesses to use it.
Can you please tell our audience a bit about your kind of package solution? Because I've seen your cube, and it was awesome because you have something different that all market can offer to users.
Yes, thanks for that. Yes, so what we have done is, because IoT is difficult to implement, there are so many components involved. There's a sensors, there's a gateway, software, platforms, there's so many much involved. So what we have done is, we have taken all of this and all the difficulties that business faces and put that in a SaaS offering, and we package them for enterprise offering as an enterprise box, and small medium businesses has a smaller box. So it's come as a full package product, and all user has to do is use it. Everything comes pre-configured, pre-populated. So we made it easier for users.
Thank you for your answer. So who is your target audience? Is it small, medium business, or huge factory owners? Who they are?
Brilliant. Excellent question. Thank you. So what we have noticed is the business stakeholders will love to use technology if it's simplified for them to address their challenges. So it could be safety manager, CFOs, warehouse manager, asset manager, CFOs, CEOs, whoever wanted to implement this kind of technology to address their challenges. And what we have seen is light industry, heavy industries, resources sector, they have so many low-hanging fruits, use cases that you can address easily. So we have a specific offering for small, medium business, and we have a specific offering for enterprises. They both are different. They made up differently to make sure that it serves the purpose and make it easier for them.
Thank you. So I've seen this big and small boxes you send to your customer. Can you please explain what inside and how this works for user perspective?
Brilliant. I love your question. Yes, it's a small and large boxes. So let's start with the enterprise. So enterprise box is a kind of SaaS platform that's come with the use cases that you want to use, or perhaps you want to build your own use cases. So it's come with the sensor that you want to select. So we have our own curated device marketplace that's over more than 160 sensors and over 20 gateways. So you can kind of choose from that. Then you can see what solutions you want to use, that from asset management to fleet management to predictive maintenance to inventory management. That could be anything. We have 12 of them, and you can just pick which one you want, and then all of this come to you as a pre-configured, pre-packaged in a bigger suitcase. And for smaller SMB target, we have 7 or 8 different solutions that comes pre-packaged as a soft SaaS platform, sensors and gateways, and you can literally buy from our website. So it's very simple to use. Thank you.
Awesome, brilliant. So let's imagine I have a factory and a lot of equipment located on this factory, and I would like to implement some IoT technology to measure how my machinery works and some information like temperature, shaking system, or something like that. How can it be useful for me?
That is such a brilliant question. It is absolutely what we have noticed. So this is actually a question every operations or warehouse or factory managers facing today, that is there a way we can use technology to implement in our context? So what we have done in this case, that if you have a factory, you go into our SaaS platform and put that information that, listen, I got a factory, could be manufacturing, could be resources, could be industrial. And you say it's 10,000 square feet. And it's a 10,000 square feet. So now the system will ask you a question that, do you have a wireless, or do you have as a 4G, or what do you have? And based upon your interaction with the system will start suggesting you require sensors, require gateway, you require. And once you kind of agree to that, once you kind of like that idea, you can just purchase them. It's all come to you as a pre-package. And because you have suggested that you like to do temperature monitoring or shaking monitoring, This kind of use case comes as a condition predictive maintenance use case, and it's all come to you as a big suitcase, and all you have to do is stick the sensors on your machinery, and there you go. Everything else is taken care of.
Sounds great, yeah. And guys, how you get information about the conference and what guide you here?
Well, it's a brilliant conference. This is first time we are in Silicon Valley, and we've been researching the places and happening places. And this conference is absolutely in one of the top lists. There's a great events, great speakers. It's a fantastic for anyone who's looking to get familiar with the Silicon Valley ecosystem, speak to the investors, speak to the founders, speak to the fantastic people like yourself. It's a fantastic place to be. Thanks, man.
Thank you. Thank you for being with us.
Appreciate that. Thank you.